One of the frequent questions I've been hearing from business owners are how can they double their sale? How can they double their source of income through their business? Well, my good news for you today is that it's even possible for you to triple your sale or even multiply your sale. Now you might be wondering how possible is that? Well, I'm going to take you through that right now. So in this video, I'll be guiding you through 16 proven ways to actually triple your sale, no matter the weather, no matter what the economy is saying about, no matter the economic crisis. These 16 proven ways have actually been done by me and by many other business owners, and they have actually kept our business afloat. Without wasting much of our time, I would like you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, give a comment in the comment section if you have any question concerning this video, and without wasting much of our time, come on, let's dive in. First thing is for you to know your target audience. Let me make something clear to you. If you don't know your target audience, you may end up advertising a car vacuum to someone that doesn't even have a car in the first place. Ensure you do a diligent research on your target audience to know what they like, what are those things that whenever they hear about it, even if they don't have the money, they will definitely go and borrow it somewhere to purchase it. Next is to develop a strong value proposition. Imagine if you are trying to sell something and you don't have a strong value proposition at all. This is more like someone that's trying to sell hot dog without the sausage. It will be kind of, weird to some people. Even your customers wouldn't understand you. So ensure that your value is clean and clear as possible, so that your customers can know exactly what your products are all about. And speaking of value proposition, that takes us to our next on the list, which is for you to create a sales funnel. Now you might be asking yourself, what the heck is sales funnel? Then I got you covered. Well, it's just like organizing a product launch party, inviting as many people as you can, making sure they are as comfortable as possible. Then by the end of the day, you slide in a discussion about your product and how it can actually change their life. This may seem too complex or expensive, but you have nothing to fear, because there are many ways to do it, and there are even better ways to do it without breaking the bank, and that's you using your social media and your website. I've actually made a video about how to do all just that. You just have to click on it right in the description below, because I'll be leaving the link right there. Make sure you check it out. There's no way we can talk about sales funnel today without talking about a way to drive traffic to it. This is more like you organizing a party without actually informing anyone. The best traffic source I can actually recommend for you right now is social media. If social media was a person, it will be that your noisy, loud friend that enjoy making people laugh and also having a good time. It's fun to always be around him. That's exactly what social media can be about. If you know how to take advantage of such a person, then you should know how to take advantage of social media. So thank me later for that. Now that you have the traffic and some of them have already patronized you, next thing you will want to do is to ensure that those that patronize you, you don't have to lose them. You have to keep engaging them. And how do you do that? That's where email or WhatsApp broadcast list come in. You see, broadcast list is like a ninja that quietly sneak up on your customer and ensure that they easily convince them to buy whatever they want them to buy. Just ensure that it's not too spammy, because this thing is a powerful tool, but if you misuse it, you are not going to make any conversion. One of the fastest ways to grow a broadcast list is for you to offer a free demo or a free trial. Now ask yourself, who doesn't like free things? Offer a free trial today and you will find a lot of potential customers lining up right in your DM, just as if it is Black Friday. At this juncture, you're supposed to have mastered the art and science of providing exceptional customer service. If you have not done so, I need you to know that customer service is the best way you can actually convert cold customers to high-paying customers. Customer service is like a superhero. It swoop in and save the day even when everything is going wrong. Imagine if a customer is not actually interested in what you are selling. Sometimes when you have a good customer approach, which is part of a customer service, it can actually save the day and change the customer's mind. Ensure you implement it. If you want to fast-track your success and explode your sale, one of the best ways is for you to invest in paid advertising. Paid advertising is like a fancy car. It might be too expensive, but it's going to get you to wherever you want to go. And wherever you want to go, you are going to have a lot of honor and a lot of respect are waiting for you there, just because you have that fancy car and you can achieve as many things as you want just with that same fancy car. That's exactly what paid advertising is. It might be an expensive investment, but in the long run or the short run, you are going to achieve a whole lot of things. While investing in paid advertising, wouldn't you like to increase the CPA by offering discounts and promotion? Offering discounts will make people look at you from that, generous perspective, and they will see your price as the best price in the market and also in the world, or probably your industry. This will enable you to organize your pricing and also to give it a very nice setup. Meanwhile, your promotion is not complete without creating a compelling content. A compelling content is like a good book or a very interesting movie that will glue your face, to the screen of the TV and, without you losing any kind of focus. That's what a compelling content is. When you create such a compelling content, your customers will not be able to leave your store or leave that particular product. They will want to know more about it, and by the end of the day, they will believe everything it entails. And by the end of the day, guess what? You are converting them into a loyal, high-paying customer. You want to take your business to a whole new level, then collaborating with influencers will be the best shot. This can be celebrities, role model, or public speakers, or just anybody that's in your industry but very famous. It can also be anyone with high level of followers on social media. This is going to be one of your best shots. Just ensure that whichever influencer you are trying to bring in is the people that are following the influencers trust him or her, or they like him and they are engaging in whatever he's posting. So take the time to study whatever they post and see how people are engaging with it. That's what will determine what kind of influencer you can actually give the shot to advertise your product. Next on our list is for you to offer an excellent after sales support. This can be like you hugging your customer and telling them, thank you for coming, and I will look forward to the next time that you will come to our shop to patronize us. Thank you so much. We so much appreciate you. We so much value your support. We so much need you here. And whenever you need another thing, we will definitely be there to provide it for you. That's exactly what an excellent after sales support can be. Whatever the customer tell you that, this product, how do I do it? How do I use it? Calmly explain it to the customer. Don't shout. Instead, gladly explain it to the customer. Make the customer feel as if he or she is the one paying your salary. If you are the business owner, ensure that the customer is comfortable with whatever you are explaining. And please take note, there's no way you are gonna go far without having to, connect with people, learning new things, and also gaining from experience of others. That's one of the best way for you to go far in your industry or your business. So for you to do that, you have to attend conferences or trade events, just any organizations where you are going to meet like minds, people who are actually like you. It's good for you to be there. As you focus on ensuring that your new product is among your best sellers, also make sure that you implement what I call cross-sale and upsell. This upsell and cross-sale, they are like magic wand. They ensure that your customer buy as much as possible from your store without even knowing it, without feeling it, and without feeling bad. This doesn't mean that you have to be cheating the customer, but there are ways to do it, and I've actually made a video about that, which is also in the comment section below or the description below. Ensure you click on it and watch it out. And as you engage in the upsell and cross-sell of your product, there's something you must not leave behind. That is website optimization. Optimizing your product or your website for conversion is like playing a game of Tetris. You want everything to fit in permanently, perfectly, and also making sense. Lastly, ensure you continuously analyze and optimize your sales strategy. This is what is going to guarantee your continuous sales and your continuous float of business, because your sales strategy is very, very important, and always update it, always change it depending on the condition of things in wherever you are. And if you are just coming up without a capital or an investment and you are thinking of ways you can actually start a business without that, then I've got a video for you. It just appeared next to me right now. Ensure you click on it and you are going to see how you can develop your wealth right from scratch.